What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y. back with another video, man. I know it's been a long time, man. Hey man, life just been lifing. Got a newborn, so you know that been taking up a lot of my time. I ain't really been having to work on my car, but we just been trying to get on it when we can. I've been ordering stuff, but I just ain't been able to put it on. But today we're gonna be doing something now. I don't know when this video gonna air. It probably gonna be in between time, cause like I said, I got other business to handle. But while we here now, we're gonna show you what we're working on today. All right, so today, most of y'all know I did the rear disc or whatever, right? So when you're doing the rear disc, a lot of people ain't gonna tell you this because they like using old bullshit, but you got to get a new proportion valve. This is a disc to disc. You got to get a disc to disc. Your original proportion valve, brake proportioning valve, is a drum to disc because you got disc in the front and you have a drum in the back. But this is the disc to disc, so I'm gonna work on replacing this, and it should clear. It should get better pressure. It's gonna get better pressure to your rear disc brakes. I actually got new front lines because I was trying to take it off camera, and it pretty much was seized, so I ordered this from Summit front lines. So I'm gonna put new front lines in the master cylinder and the front disc brake. So that's what I'm gonna be working on. I'm gonna try to record some when I can, and that's it, man. So we're working on that. We're working on the front brake disc. The front lines and the proportioning valve. This is gonna make your pedal more harder. Like right now my pedal is soft and I bled the brakes. It's just not getting enough pressure back there. So this should knock that out and we can go on to the next step. But I just wanted y'all to see that, man. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. Let me work on this a little bit, man. It really be hard trying to record and do that at the same time. I don't know how a lot of y'all be doing it. Maybe when I get a smaller camera and I'll be able to do that, but let's go. So yeah, one of the major things that you need to do first is you need to drain your oil line, your brake. Drain your master cylinder where you drain your brake fluid out. So I got some a little pump right here that you bleed brake with. I'm gonna drain the brake fluid out, and then I'll be able to take the lines apart, get some of the so all that brake fluid won't get on you. Yeah, you see the 6. So I've been cranking it up and doing stuff off the camera, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do more on it, but I just be making sure everything's still good. But yeah, we good. I just wanted to try to get this up on here. I got this big old camera, so I can't get all the way close, but right up on the driver's side, by the front wheel, this your proportion valve right here. And you have lines, and I cut that one because I'm replacing them. But it got 4 lines in it. It's 2. Wait, how many? 1, 2. My bag, you got 5. 1, 2. You got 5 of them. 2 for your master cylinder, 2 for your front brakes, and then 1 for your rear right here. So just got to get all the lines off on them. They be stuck. Some of them pretty hard. I cut this one. I couldn't get it off. I got 2 of them off up there. Probably cut the other one off, and that'll be good. I'll pull it off and replace it with the new one, replace the lines, and start bleeding. We should have good brakes then. Alright, cut y'all back on. Alright, yeah, so it's just an update. I have took the brake lines out, the master cylinder, they down there. I'm gonna pull them through. I have the brake proportioning valve is off right there. So got that off, man. We doing all right so far. I cut the lines off. I'm gonna get the new one, put the new one in, I gotta take this towel to each side to replace the brake lines, and that's what I got so far. So cut y'all back on when I do that. So yeah, we back. I pretty much got the lines hooked up. I ran all the lines in the front, the brake lines. These are new lines. I had them on here sitting for a little bit, so I can try to keep them in place. I'm actually about to take them back off because I'm gonna try to bleed the master cylinder, and then I'll bleed the brake lines, and then hopefully we should be good. But I'm gonna bleed the master cylinder. Cut y'all back on in a second. Alright, so yeah, YouTube, it's been a minute. I don't even know how long it's been. It's probably been like a week, maybe. Been a week, maybe, something like that. But anyway, man, I had ran into some issues with doing the bleeding the lines. Stuff was leaking, so I had to get different tools. I'm gonna tell you this: when you're doing your brake lines, man, don't use wrenches, man. Go on and get the line wrenches. They don't cost nothing. I got the line wrenches. I tighten up everything, and no leaks, and bled everything. Everything is bled, man. So we might be good. Well, I ain't gonna say we might. We should be good. I bled everything. I tested them. Let the car run, and on the jack stands, and I doggone. I'm just getting this light. That's why I'm talking out my back. But anyway, I let it run on the lights, and then everything stopped. Brakes up. Brakes got fluid in them. So we should be able to come on up out of the garage, you feel me? I got other plans, you feel me? I got other plans, so we should be able to get back out on the street now, finally, after all this time. But I'm gonna show y'all. So yeah, anyway, like I say, I bled the line, and we got brakes. Brakes is on the rotors hard, you feel me? So everything stopped, ain't no loose brakes, brand new brakes. So we get in the game, man. So it's the end of the video, man. It's the end of the video. But I would just tell you this: always remember when y'all switching to these disc brakes, man, get the disc to disc proportioning valve. Get the disc to disc proportioning valve. You know what I'm saying? And you'll be good. But I'm glad, man. I'm happy, bro. I'm happy. It's been a lot of ups and downs, man. People don't be talking about that, but it'd be a lot of ups and downs. That's why I don't, me personally, I don't always put a lot of videos out, cause sometimes it be getting on my nerves. Like I said, on top of that, I do a lot of work. So, but yeah, we about to get outside the garage, man. I got other stuff planned. I promise, man. It's finally here. I'm gonna put these rallies on here. You hear me? And get this thing outside and try to see what I can do from there. Once it's outside, it's up. All right. It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y, man. Sometimes them shots get bagged up. You don't know where to start. You gotta do it yourself. Let's go. It's my thumb.